In this short tutorial, you will learn how to delete blocked numbers on a Samsung phone. Sometimes, you may want to unblock someone you previously blocked. This is an easy process that only takes a few moments. To get started, open up the phone app on your Samsung device. Once the phone app is open, tap on these three little dots at the top right corner. In the menu that appears, tap on Settings. From here, find and select Block Numbers. Here, you'll see a list of all blocked contacts. If your intention is simply to unblock someone rather than deleting their number entirely, locate the specific contact and tap on the minus button next to their name or the number. This will remove them from your blocked list and unblock them. Now, if you're looking to completely delete a blocked number from your device instead of just unblocking them, let's proceed with that process. To start deleting a blocked number, tap on the Recents key, which can usually be found at the bottom left corner of your screen. This will bring up all recently used apps. Next, find and tap on the phone app icon within this Recent Apps view. After selecting it, tap Open in Split Screen View. This allows for multitasking between apps seamlessly. On the bottom part of your screen now displayed in split screen mode, scroll through until you find and select the Contacts app. This will allow access to all saved contacts on your device. Within the Contacts app interface, tap on the search icon at the top of the screen. Here you can either type in the name or directly input the blocked number that you wish to delete from your contacts list. Once you've located the contact associated with that blocked number in search results, press and hold it until additional options appear. Among these options should be a trash can icon. Tap this icon to initiate deletion. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you want to move this contact to trash. Tap on Move to Trash, confirming that you indeed wish to delete this contact from your saved entries. Remember that this deletion only removes this particular contact from your saved list, it does not unblock them if they were previously blocked. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.